Every year, thousands of international buyers lose millions to real estate scams, fake listings, wire fraud, title theft, secret liens, and shady guaranteed return schemes designed to prey on people just like you. In the next 8 minutes, I'm revealing the top 5 real estate scams to avoid internationally, the exact traps that destroy expat dreams and investor portfolios. Stick around, because one simple mistake could cost you everything. Let's protect your money right now. Number 1. Fake listings and phantom properties. This is one of the most common and heartbreaking real estate scams targeting international buyers. Scammers create phony advertisements for dream properties, luxury villas, beachfront condos, or city apartments, using stolen photos and descriptions copied from legitimate listings on sites like Rightmove, Idealista, or local portals. These phantom properties often don't exist at all, or the scammer has no ownership or authority to sell or rent them. The scam thrives in overseas markets, where buyers are remote expats or investors unfamiliar with local areas, such as Spain's Costa del Sol, Portugal's Algarve, Thailand's Phuket, or Mexico's coastal hotspots like Puerto Vallarta. Listings appear on Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, expat groups, or even fake websites mimicking trusted platforms. Prices are suspiciously low to grab attention, and scammers build urgency. Limited time offer. Multiple interested buyers, or owner abroad, send deposit to secure. Victims, excited about the deal, send reservation fees, deposits, or even full payments via wire transfer, Western Union, or crypto, only for the seller to vanish. In one reported case in Spain, a buyer lost thousands on a non-existent beachfront apartment after transferring funds to a fake agent. Number 2. Wire fraud, payment interception, switch and trap. This devastating scam, also known as business email compromise in real estate, targets buyers, especially international ones, during the payment stage of a property purchase. Scammers monitor email threads between buyers, agents, lawyers, or title companies, then spoof or hack accounts to send fake, updated wire instructions right before closing. The fraudulent email looks identical to legitimate ones, often with minor tweaks, like an extra letter in the address, for example, attorney instead of attorney, or a similar domain. Common in cross-border deals where buyers are remote and wires cross countries, for example, expats buying in Europe, Asia, or Latin America. Victims send down payments, deposits, or full closing funds, often tens or hundreds of thousands, to the scammer's account. Funds vanish quickly, routed overseas through mules. Recent cases include a Silicon Valley executive losing $400,000 in a spoofed mortgage broker email, and international buyers in places like Belize wiring nearly $1 million to fake lawyer accounts. Globally, real estate wire fraud losses exceed hundreds of millions annually, with spikes in overseas transactions due to urgency and unfamiliarity. Number 3. Title fraud, ownership impersonation. This insidious scam, often called deed theft or seller impersonation fraud, involves criminals forging documents to steal or fake ownership of a property, then selling it to an unsuspecting buyer, usually an international one who can't easily verify local records. Scammers impersonate the real owner using fake IDs, forged deeds, powers of attorney, or even AI-generated deepfakes to list and sell the property, pocketing the proceeds before vanishing. It hits foreign buyers hard in markets like Europe, for example, Spain, Portugal, Latin America, Mexico, Costa Rica, Asia, Thailand, Bali, and Canada, where absentee owners or expats are common targets. Vacant lots, overseas-owned homes, or properties with owners abroad are prime victims. Scammers exploit public registries, forge passports, and use remote notarizations. In one Canadian case, fraudsters sold a couple's home while they were overseas, leaving buyers with renovations and the real owners fighting to reclaim title. Similar schemes appear in BC and Ontario with impersonated absentee owners, and rising AI use accelerates forged docs in the US and beyond, with losses in the millions. Number 4. Hidden debts, liens, or undisclosed charges. This sneaky scam preys on international buyers by selling properties at attractive bargain prices, only for the new owner to inherit massive unpaid debts tied to the property itself, not the seller. These can include back taxes, community and HOA fees, mortgages, special assessments, utility liens, or inheritance disputes. Unlike personal debts, these encumbrances attach to the real estate in many countries, so the buyer becomes legally responsible post-purchase, sometimes facing foreclosure or huge bills. It's especially common in overseas hotspots like Spain, Costa del Sol, where unpaid community fees or taxes lead to surprises. Mexico, coastal areas with hidden HOA assessments, ejido land issues or unpaid liens, and parts of Asia, for example Thailand or Bali, with undisclosed developer fees or taxes. Sellers or shady agents downplay or hide these during rushed deals, often using the seller's notary, who skips full checks. Buyers discover the truth after closing, via demands from authorities or during resale, leading to losses in the tens or hundreds of thousands. In Spain, properties with hidden debts have forced some expats into costly legal battles. In Mexico, condo owners have faced sudden special assessments, wiping out savings. Number 5. Fake agents and high-pressure or too-good-to-be-true investment schemes. This scam targets international buyers seeking easy, overseas profits through fake or unlicensed agents, pushing dubious real estate investments. Scammers pose as legitimate agents, developers, or intermediaries, often with cloned websites, spoofed emails, or professional-looking social media profiles, offering exclusive deals like off-plan condos, holiday rentals, or resorts with guaranteed high yields, for example, 8 to 12% rental returns, and low risk. Common in hotspots like Thailand, Phuket and Phang Nga, Bali, Indonesia, Mexico's Riviera Maya and Tulum, the Caribbean, or parts of Europe and Asia. These schemes promise guaranteed income from managed rentals, resale flips, or Ponzi-like structures where early investors get paid from new ones' funds. High-pressure tactics create urgency. Limited units left. Prices rising tomorrow. Act now or miss out, often via cold calls, WhatsApp, or unsolicited messages. Victims pay deposits, reservation fees, or full amounts up front, only to find the project is unfinished, overbuilt, illegal for foreigners, or non-existent. In Tulum, Mexico, fraudulent schemes left investors without properties or refunds. In Bali and Thailand, fake rental guarantee programs collapsed, costing buyers millions. That's the top 5 real estate scams international buyers face most often. Fake listings, wire fraud, title theft, hidden debts, and shady investment schemes. Knowledge like this can save you from devastating losses when buying abroad. Stay sharp, verify everything, and protect your dream property. Thanks for watching. Safe investing out there.